Hello, I'm Dr. Johnny. Welcome to POV Science.
POV Science, yeah, that's a theme song.
Basically, POV Science is you get to be part of the experiment. You get to see what happens to the experiment as it's happening. For example, today we're going to be doing an egg drop. Most egg drop videos, you get to see the egg drop and then you get to see if it's broken or not. This, you get to see when it breaks, when it breaks. That's exciting. I get paid $10 an hour every time I make an egg pun, which is egg. Today's experiment is the egg drop. Basically what you do is you put your egg in a shoe box or whatever box you have, pad it up or not pad it up, put it in a box, drop the box, and see what the outcome is. I think I'm not a scientist, but I think what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to see how gravity works. And, well, sometimes gravity works. Now, to entertain you, I'm going to be juggling. I've taken juggling classes for years, so I'm going to be juggling these 3 eggs. Don't try this at home. It's messy. I failed to mention I've failed all of these juggling classes, and I've made a mess. Alright, let's get cracking! Oh, I didn't want to do that. It's my assistant Igor, and drop! Damage control. Oops. Well, that was exciting. I'm gonna go home now.
POV Science, yeah, that's a theme song.